Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Delilah if you don't know already. Today we're going to be trying out some new makeup while we garden a little bit. If you love everything beauty and a little bit of shenanigans, I promise you won't be sorry. And subscribe if you're not already, because what the fuck are you waiting for? So the first thing I want to try before gardening are these faded topical eye patches. I bought these. It was still cold outside and I never opened one. So we're gonna try one today while we garden. It says you're supposed to leave her on for 15 minutes. I can't believe people were wearing this outside. Is it supposed to be like this or like that? You know, like is this part supposed to curvier? Yeah, I'm gonna just do it like this. No wonder everyone was wearing these outside. These are so cute. These are so freaking cute. I can't. These are the cutest eye patches I've ever seen. Let me just go off camera because I don't want to be demonetized. And if Jake Weber can get high and go to Target and make a whole video about it, so can I. Ooh. Lord Jesus. Stay hydrated. One more. Oh my God, eat up, no more.
Marijuana affects the memory.
Oh my God, bitch. I still got 10 minutes with these bitches on. Let me just do my brows no, I'm not gonna do my brows. What the fuck, I don't do my makeup like that. Oh my God, I'ma wait the 10 minutes. I'll be back. Let's see, I'll put this one first. Let's see. Placebo effect, maybe? And I saw some girl, she was saying don't throw them away because you can reuse them. So I'm gonna just put them right back. Comment down below if it's true or not. I don't want to be a disgusting human being. So the first new product we're gonna try is the new Fenty Beauty Concealer. Is the hydrating long wear concealer. I actually want to try her foundation too. Let's see. This looks like it's gonna be lighter than my skin tone. This is in the shade 385. Let me see. Yeah, so this is a bit lighter. I'm gonna use this as a highlight shade instead of a cover-up. Let's use our Kulfi concealer first. I've been using this, but this is another new product that I've been using. This is the Kulfi concealer. I use the shade Falooda Fizz for a color corrector. I'm so obsessed with this concealer. The finish, the coverage, just everything about it. I love it. It's so pretty. So the next new product that we're gonna use, I actually reviewed this on my TikTok yesterday because I was so excited. I bought it yesterday. I stopped by at Sephora. This is the new Sephora brushes. They come individually and they come in a set. And when I saw the set, the one that really caught my eye was this one because of the shape. Like, I'm just so obsessed with it. It reminds me of the Haus Labs brush and the Rare Beauty brush, and I always wanted to try one like this. It's so freaking, like, look how, oh my God, look how natural and how fast my makeup is getting blended out. It makes blending your concealer so easy. And look, I'm still getting coverage even if I don't tap. Like, me just swirling it and just swiping it, I'm still getting the coverage that I want. So good. It's only $15. That's not bad at all. And they were having a sale too. They were having this Sephora collection sale. If you buy multiple things from Sephora collection, you'll get a percentage off. So now let's go on with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Concealer to highlight. And we're gonna use the same concealer brush. Okay, so this is blending out nicely. It is giving me a glow to the skin, very glowy. actually. Okay, I like the way it's sitting on my skin. It's giving me a lot of glow. Like, this is really hydrating to the point that I feel like if you forget to wear eye cream, you're good. This is really, really good. Can you guys see that? Like, look how radiant it looks. I have these two new bronzers. I know this is a tinted moisturizer, but I got it in a darker shade. So this is the Say Dew Bronze liquid bronzer in Stinson. I've been using this and I really like it. I think the color is beautiful. And this is the Anastasia Beauty Balm in number 14. I got this in a contour shade because I'm kind of tired of tinted moisturizers. I just use concealers and I just thought this would be like such a good idea to use as a contour shade. So if you guys have been watching my videos, I have been using this. So I'm gonna try this one because I never tried it before and I'm really excited. Like, the color looks gorgeous. And then it's like the perfect shape. Like, you see how like narrow it is, and then it just gives you like that perfect contour line, and it just fits perfectly right here too. Look at that, so easy. And since it's tinted, it's not gonna look so heavy on the skin. Ooh, yes. Oh my God, this blends like a dream. Okay, so I could apply, no, hold on. Let me not get so ahead of myself. If I was a bad bitch, I wanna, me too. Yeah, this is giving bronze. Yep. You guys saw in my last video, I had braids, right? I just got them done. I only had them in for like a week and I couldn't anymore. I feel like I lost my, I feel like all the pain that I endured in the past getting my hair braided and not getting my hair braided for like about maybe 2 to 3 years, my scalp just got weak and said, bitch, you can't have braids. I'm gonna give you a headache every day. I'm just like, yo, I can't believe this is happening to me right now. I used to rock braids all the time, and for some reason, I don't know, I had a feeling something like that was gonna happen because I haven't had braids in so long. And then this last time, I got my braids done so long. They were so freaking pretty because the hair was so long. It was just causing a lot of tension on my scalp, and my scalp couldn't take it. So I cut them, right? I cut them, they were like past my butt, and I cut them up to like a little bit above my belly button. Literally, when I did that, I felt a little bit of relief. The Fenty concealer isn't bright enough for me. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Kulfi concealer. The next thing we're gonna try is the Milk Jelly Makeup. I don't give a fuck if I'm late. I don't care. I know this came out a little bit ago, but it's new to me. If you try to keep up with these makeup trends, you're gonna go broke. It's insane. It's like I can't buy every single thing that comes out because I know I'm not gonna like every single thing. I try not to get so influenced by TikTok, even though, girl, I got influenced by I finally bought something off the TikTok shop. So many people, in the beginning, so many people was talking about how they were getting scammed. But girl, I caved in the other day, like 2 days ago. You know what I bought? Mama V's sour candy. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna do a shorts and try it. Next, we're gonna try the Milk Makeup, the Milk Jelly Blush. I tried this in my sweat proof makeup tutorial. I am obsessed with this product. It is so pretty. I love it so much. I love the formula. It took me a while to try this because when I would go into Sephora, yes, I'll swatch it. You know, a lot of people were trying it and I was like, it's just something that people are just making viral. And then you come across those videos where they don't know how to use it correctly, so then they try to make it seem like the product is bad. The first time I used this worked so good for me. Like, I don't know what everyone's talking about. I just feel like people get too excited and they just, you know, go in with it. Like, I get it, you can play around with makeup however you want, but people just need to understand that there is a theory when it comes to makeup. Like, there is a right way to do makeup, and I'm not trying to come for anybody. It's just, you know, that's why we have videos like mine, Robert Welsh, like Hindash, like Makeup by Spencer, who are professionals. Even though I'm always fucking around in my videos, I can't stay serious. Like, I need to add a little bit of humor to my videos. I'm sorry. Videos like us, we're actually gonna teach you how to do makeup. We're gonna teach you the techniques. We're gonna teach you how to always look flawless. That's why I think I want to make a video where I want to talk about why your makeup always looks like shit, and I just want to give my tips on why that may happen. Okay, cool. I freaking love this. It's so cooling and refreshing on the skin. It's perfect for summer as well because it's a stain. So I've also got another new brush. This is the Morphe X Ariel brushes. After trying this one, I want to get the full set. I want to get the eyeshadow, I want to get the face brush because I really do like this one. I don't have a new powder to try because I just have way too many. So the powder I've been using lately is the Fenty blotting powder. Usually I would wear my Kosas, but since the Kosas does have color to it, it's gonna add a little bit more coverage. So I just want something colorless right now. I really do like the brush because of the shape. I really like the amount of bristles that I have because I thought it was gonna be like a flimsy brush, but it's actually pretty thick. So it's gonna pack on the powder really nicely. And I love how it's just tapered so it gets right in those inner corners. Next, I'm gonna try another new tool. I got the Rare Beauty Powder Puff. I had to get one. These are so freaking cute. Like, look how adorable. Hold on. This is so cute. Look how adorable. You go, girl. I love it. It's so pretty. And I thought it only came with one. It comes with two. How freaking generous is that? That's so sweet. And I think these are only like $15 too. They're so cheap. Come with two puffs. Come on. And they feel so nice and soft and plushy. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier and my Pat McGrath loose setting powder. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, we are on to a good start. I love the way this is applying so far. You guys know that I love to use Beauty Blender Powder Puff. I love this. I love this so much. I don't know. There's something about it. I'm going with my Pat McGrath powder. Oh, this gives a lot of... Okay, wait a minute. This powder puff gives a lot more coverage than the Beauty Blender one. Ooh, girl. Damn, this is giving me... Damn, okay. I like this. I like this powder puff. Uh-oh, Beauty Blender, you got some competition because I like this one. Damn, I think that's it. I think the only new things that I have left are lashes and lips. Next are gonna be these lashes that I got from Ulta. These are Eyelure in Faux Mink Royal. I've been loving these so much. I already put on some mascara. They're just so pretty. I've really been into half lashes lately. Even though I love the half lashes from Lily Lashes, only one comes in the box. I want to get more that comes in a pack like this. So when I saw these in Ulta, I'm like, these are perfect. They look just like the Lily Lashes one, but just with a little bit more drama. I have 3 different lip products in front of me. I tried one already, but there's 2 that I haven't tried. I'm about to just try all of them on camera just to see. The one that I tried already is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Plumpgasm. Oh my god, I am obsessed. I think I used this in one of my last videos, but oh my god, that lip plumper is everything. Everybody should go try that. It's wow. And then I have the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Gloss. This is in a pretty nude in honey. And then I also got the Haus Labs. This is the lip glaze in guava. I don't know which one to try. I think I'm gonna just try both. Well, I'm gonna swatch them, but let me put these lashes on. See how like pretty? You see how it just like elevated my look so much? Like it's just, oh my god. Ooh, so cute. So let me swatch the Haus Labs. Ooh, I like the way, okay. Oh, this is like really pigmented, the Huda Beauty one. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try the Huda Beauty one. Smell like with this. This is the Huda Beauty lip gloss, and oh my god, this is so pigmented. It's pretty, but it's not the look I'm going for today. Let me try the Haus Labs in Guava. Oh. I've been into my pinks lately. Ooh, this is freaking. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Ooh, this is so shiny, bitch. I love it. Ooh, I love this. This is so pretty. But let me just put a little bit. Let me just put a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury just to give a little. Cause yo, it's something about this. Like, look at this color. It's a little bit. Something about the Charlotte Tilbury, it blurs out your lines so much. Like, it looks like I have Bratz doll lips. Is that everything? Yep, that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.